All right, good day everybody. Thank you for coming back. So in the last video, I finished the floor. In this one, I'm doing the framing. And as I mentioned in other videos, so this is a steel frame house. So to add proper insulation, I build a new wall with the 2x4s inside the steel wall. So that gives me enough insulation. And so let's get started. All right, so I built the corner pieces, and what's the only thing missing now is insulation in the corner. So this goes like so, goes into the corner like this. And then this wall this way, that wall this way. So the next 2x4 will be 45.5 centimeters. And then on top is a top piece that goes all across, and then the ceiling goes on top of that. Okay. All right. So let's cut some more studs. The time has come to start putting up the walls. So I had to use some trickery to do it on my own. So here's what I did. The studs here, they have to be flush with the window, so I attached them there. And they are plumb, so that is perfect. And then the corner pieces, what I did to keep them in place is I just put a little wedge there, and it's not the final place, but it's just so that they stay in place. Once I attach the top, then I can make them plumb. They're not plumb now. And the same thing. And the corners, I cut half and half, so half bottom and half the top, the opposite, and then they're going to be screwed together. All right, so the framing is done. So put the big vertical pieces, the studs, that's the easy part, is all the horizontal parts and around the windows that takes a lot of time. Took me longer to do that. And I still have to put the bottom piece to hold the bottom molding and the drywall as well. So all the framing is done. I did the bottom pieces and I'm ready to install the ceiling. So for the first one, I guess for the other ones too, I installed a, this is to support the ceiling tiles, and then I just put it there. And then the next one, I put this, and this gives me the exact space between the joist. So let's get started. So yeah, the door was here before, and as you can see, when I put the new wall, I put a thick wall. So once I put the new wall here, I won't be able to open the door anymore. So what I'm doing is I'm moving the door here, which is right in front of the stairs. The stairs is right there. and then this will be a little bit pushed in, so the door will be kind of like hidden in the wall. So on this side I'll put another one of those 45mm wide, so that'll come about here, and then when the door opens it'll be just kind of flush with the wall here. So the door will kind of open like this and then close there, and of course that'll be a new wall over there. I just realized the door handle is about right in the middle of the door. Normally it's a little bit lower part, but this one is right in the middle, so I don't have to, I thought I would have to turn that latch around, but now it's perfect. I don't have to change that. Wow, amazing. Saved myself